Oh my god! Wow.
Alright, so what you guys just saw there is we installed a 24-piece rock light kit on our buddy's Super Duty. It turned out really good.
Now let's light this motherfucker up.
What's going on, everybody? Sean with Big Sky Mafia. Today we got our buddy's 2015 Super Duty. We're going to be installing a rock light kit from FCK's.
What's up, guys? I'm Zach with Big Sky Mafia. So today we're going to be putting on some FCK rock lights. We're going to give you a breakdown, show you what we're putting on here. We got a bunch of lights here. We got 24-piece. We got 3 modules. We got extensions and all of our harness to run the lights. Also got convolute to cover everything up because we live up here in Montana. It's bound to get dirty.
Alright, so we're starting to run wires for the front 4. So right now we're just getting them through these little areas that we can tuck them away and keep them protected from heat and all the elements. So once we get them all ran, we'll run wire loom and convolute all the way up and get them all plugged in and test fit the front and make sure all the front ones work, and then head on to the cab and the rear.
rock lights in on the front. We're gonna give it some power and see it, make sure everything lights up right.
I'll push as hard as I can with my knee, goddammit.
What's going on, everybody? We just want to stop the video for a second and talk about FCK light bars. Now, we've been running all their stuff on any of our other aftermarket lighting videos that we've installed and all on our personal trucks, and they're phenomenal. If you guys want to get some, use promo code REDSLED1997 and use the link in the description below to get yourself any and the best aftermarket lighting that you need.
What's going on, everyone? I'm Dylan with Big Sky Mafia. We're about 2/3 of the way through with this installation. We're going to test them out and see how they look.
Having fun, Zach?
Yeah.
I am as arm deep as it could possibly get right now.
Looks like it.
All right, everyone, there you go. There's an install on a 24-piece rock light kit from FCK Light Bars. We're about to back this out and see what it looks like in the dark.
Oh! Oh my god! Wow.